Are you working hard, but still broke? It might not be your income, it might be your habits. In this video, we'll reveal 7 daily habits that quietly drain your wallet, and how to stop them, before it's too late. Stick around till the end, you might be guilty of the 6th without even realizing it. Let's start with the obvious one, impulse spending, grabbing snacks at the gas station, ordering things you don't need online, or tapping your card without thinking. This is how to fix it. Use the 24-hour rule. If something isn't urgent, wait a day. You'll be surprised how often the desire fades. That $5 coffee or $12 takeout lunch might seem small, but if you do it every weekday, that's over $4,000 per year. This is how to fix it. Brew at home. Meal prep. Use restaurant food as a treat, not a routine. Paying the minimum feels safe. But it's a trap. Interest piles up, and your debt snowballs silently. This is how to fix it. Pay more than the minimum, even a little extra helps, and avoid using credit for wants. Netflix, Spotify, Disney, fitness apps, delivery passes, these sneak out money month after month, even if you don't use them. This is how to fix it. Do a subscription audit every 3 months, cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Social media shows you the best parts of people's lives, vacations, gadgets, luxury, and we try to keep up, spending money to match an illusion. This is how to fix it. Practice intentional spending. Spend based on your values, not someone else's highlight reel. Shopping apps and websites make it too easy to spend. With one tap, your money disappears, sometimes without real thought. This is how to fix it. Remove saved cards from your browser and apps. Make spending just a little harder, so you think twice. This one's silent, but deadly. If you're not tracking where your money goes, you're likely overspending, guaranteed. This is how to fix it. Use a free budgeting app or the 50-30-20 rule. Every dollar should have a job. Let's recap. These 7 daily habits may seem small, but over time, they drain your wallet, limit your freedom, and keep you broke. The good news: you don't need more money, you need better habits. Like this video if you found one habit you'll break today. Subscribe for weekly money tips that actually work, and tell us in the comments, which habit are you guilty of?